Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Excel Lecture 4. In Lecture 4 we will learn about data analysis with tables and filters, introduction to data analysis with tables and filters, creating and formatting Excel tables, sorting and filtering table data, using advanced filter options, subtotaling and grouping data, using conditional formatting to highlight data, introduction to data analysis with tables and filters. Welcome to our presentation on data analysis with tables and filters. Today, we will explore how you can use Excel to analyze large sets of data and make informed decisions based on your findings. In today's world, where data is king, this skill is becoming increasingly important for professionals in all fields. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to create and format Excel tables, sort and filter data, use advanced filter options, subtotal and group data, and use conditional formatting to highlight important information. These skills are essential for anyone who works with data, whether you are an analyst, marketer, or business owner. Creating and formatting Excel tables. Excel tables are a powerful tool for data analysis. They allow you to organize your data in a structured way, making it easier to analyze and understand. When creating tables, it's important to consider the formatting to ensure that the data is presented in a clear and visually appealing way. One of the benefits of using tables is that they make it easy to sort and filter data. You can quickly find the information you need by sorting columns or filtering based on specific criteria. Additionally, tables can be formatted to highlight important data, such as using color coding to draw attention to outliers or trends. Sorting and filtering table data. Sorting and filtering are essential tools for data analysis. Sorting allows you to quickly organize your data in ascending or descending order, based on a specific column, making it easier to identify patterns and trends. Filtering, on the other hand, allows you to narrow down your data set based on specific criteria, allowing you to focus on the information that is most relevant to your analysis. Benefits of sorting and filtering include improved data organization, faster analysis, and more accurate insights. For example, if you are analyzing sales data, you can sort the data by date to see how sales have changed over time. You can also filter the data to show only sales from a specific region or product category. Using advanced filter options. Advanced filter options allow you to refine your data analysis even further. With advanced filters, you can apply multiple criteria to a single column or across multiple columns. This allows you to create more complex queries that can help you uncover insights that might have been missed with basic filtering. Another benefit of using advanced filters is that they are dynamic. This means that if your data changes, the filter will automatically update to reflect those changes. This can save you time and effort in the long run, as you won't need to constantly update your filters manually. Subtotaling and grouping data. Subtotaling and grouping data in Excel can be a powerful way to summarize and analyze large amounts of information. Subtotaling allows you to quickly calculate subtotals for different groups of data, while grouping lets you organize your data into categories for easier analysis. To subtotal data, first sort your data by the column you want to subtotal, then select the Data tab and click on the Subtotal button. You can choose which columns to subtotal and which functions to use, such as sum or average. Once you've applied the subtotals, you can collapse or expand each group to see the subtotals or the detailed data. Grouping data is similar to subtotaling, but instead of calculating subtotals, it allows you to organize your data into categories. To group data, select the column you want to group by. Then go to the Data tab and click on the Group button. You can choose to group by days, months, quarters, or years, depending on the type of data you have. Once you've grouped your data, You can collapse or expand each group to see the summary information or the detailed data. Conditional formatting to highlight data. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to highlight important data based on certain criteria. With conditional formatting, you can easily identify trends, outliers, and other patterns in your data. For example, you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values above or below a certain threshold, or to color code cells based on their value relative to other cells in the same column. One of the key benefits of conditional formatting is that it allows you to quickly and easily spot trends and patterns in your data that might not be immediately apparent otherwise. This can save you a lot of time and effort when analyzing large data sets, as you can quickly identify areas of interest and focus your attention on those areas. Additionally, conditional formatting can help you communicate your findings more effectively by making it easier for others to understand and interpret your data. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have discussed the importance of using tables and filters in Excel for data analysis. Tables make it easy to sort, filter, and analyze data, while filters can be used to quickly find specific data and highlight patterns. By incorporating these tools into your work, you can save time and improve the accuracy of your analysis. We also provided some best practices for using tables and filters in Excel, including tips on formatting tables, using advanced filters, and avoiding common mistakes. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of these tools and ensure that your data analysis is as effective as possible.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.